everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is SketchBox Day. SketchBox is a monthly art subscription box. This is the January box with the beautiful art by Katie Hicks. Let's see what's inside. As always, there's SketchBox branded tissue paper, hides the contents for us, which allows us to do a blind unboxing. First thing up is orange watercolor powder. I love things like this. I think this is similar to, let's see if I have it here. To this TCW Color Sparks, where you just spray it on and spray it with water, but we'll find out. Orange watercolor powder. It is SketchBox signature branded, truly magical medium that plays well with all wet media, made up of multiple pigments to blend to create the final color. Very cool. Next up is a paintbrush. A SketchBox branded paintbrush. It's a Filbert number 4. Then we have a Copic multiliner 0.5. Is this blue? Lavender. And we will swatch all of this later. Then we have a Rembrandt watercolor in whites, Blanco. What is the actual color? Titan white? Transparent Titan white, I believe. Extra fine Rembrandt. Very cool. There will be some paper in here, I am sure. There is the card. We'll put that aside. There is the artwork. Ooh, that is gorgeous. This is by Kara Rosalie Olsen, made with this box, so I like that. Here is the SketchBox watercolor paper for watercolor, gouache, ink, and acrylic. 100% cotton, 180 pound, pack of 15 in the SketchBox signature size, or one of the SketchBox signature size, I should say. Here is a turquoise, and a couple more. A navy blue. Oh look, a TCW Color Sparks. This color is so similar to what I showed you earlier. This one is Bougainvillea. I have a wisteria over here from another box. And then we have a grape. And we have, oh, there's our sticker. This actually looks a little bit more like the glitter glue bottles than the watercolor bottles. But there you have it. This is the SketchBox for the month of January 2022. We will absolutely swatch these and make something with it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. I totally forgot to go over the card with the prices, so sorry about that. I do that all the time. So the watercolor powders, navy, grape, orange, and turquoise. So these, a truly magical medium that plays well with all wet media, made up of multiple pigments that blend to create the final color. A little goes a long way, so this is close to a lifetime supply. Retail price of $4.99. The each, $4.99 each. The custom TCW Color Sparks watercolor powder, Bougainvillea, mixed with water to use it as watercolor or sprinkle on a wet surface for a blooming effect. The $6 for one. The Rembrandt watercolor titanium white, retails for $9.95. So the watercolor, use this watercolor in combination with the watercolor powders in this month's box to create a variety of tints. The SketchBox Signature Filbert brush, they say retails for $5.95. Watercolor brush. The Copic Multiliner, $3.99 in lavender. And the custom cotton pad retails for $13.48. As always, there's a getsketchbox.com/school to show you how to use all these supplies. There you have it. Now let's swatch.